Hello student, today we will discuss about software testing. Today's world of technology is completely dominated by machines and their behavior is controlled by the software powering it. Software testing provides the solution to all our worries about machines behaving the exact way we want them to. Software testing is a method to check whether the actual software product matches expected requirements and to ensure that software product is defect free. It involves execution of software system components using manual or automated tools to evaluate one or more properties of interest. Next, introduction. Testing is the process of evaluating a system or its component with the intent to find whether it satisfies the specified requirements or not. Software testing is a process of evaluating the functionality of a software application to find any software bugs. It checks whether the developed software meets the specified requirement and identifies any defect in the software in order to purpose a quality product. It is basically executing a system in order to identify any gaps, error or missing requirement in contrary to the actual requirement. Next, why to learn software testing? In the IT industry, large companies have a team with responsibilities to evaluate the developed software in context of the given requirement. Moreover, developers also conduct testing which is called unit testing. In most cases, the following professionals are involved in testing a system within their respective capacities. First one, software tester. Second, software developer, project lead manager and end user. Different companies have different designation for people who test the software on the basis of their experience and knowledge, such as software tester, software quality assurance engineer, quality assurance analysis, etc. Next, application of software testing. Early testing saves both time and cost in many aspects. However, reducing the cost without testing may result in improper design of a software application, rendering the product useless. Then product improvement, test automation, quick quality check. Product improvement. During the SDLC phases, SDLC means software development life cycle phases, testing is never a time consuming process. However, diagnosing and fixing the error identified during proper testing a time consuming but product active. Next, when to start testing. An early start to testing reduces the cost and time to rework and produce error-free software that is delivered to the client. However, in software development lifecycle, testing can be started from the requirements gathering phase and continue till the deployment of the software. It is also depends on the development model that is being used. For example, in the waterfall model, formal testing is conducted in the testing phase, but in the incremental model, testing is performed at the end of every increment iteration and the whole application is tested at the end. Testing is done in different forms at every phase of SDLC. During the requirement gathering phase, the analysis and verification of requirements are also considered as testing. Reviewing the design in the design phase with the intent to improve the design is also considered as testing. And next, when to stop testing. It is difficult to determine when to stop testing, as testing is never ending process and no one can claim that a software is 100% tested. The following aspects are to be considered for stopping the testing process: testing deadlines, completion of test case execution, completion of functional and code coverage to a certain point, bug rate fall below a certain level, and no high priority bugs are identified. Management decision.